Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge. Now, Bkex is now controlling 92%, $139,344 being controlled on Bkex alone for Shibadoge token. 92% of Shibadoge volume. Now, can we see other crypto exchanges hitting this level? Can we see crypto exchanges coming in to support Shibadoge and dominating Shibadoge volume? The truth is, Bkex is not really a top exchanger, but we know this coin, these exchanges have been supporting many coins. Even when you take a look at the statistics on other crypto coins they actually listed, you see that other small cap coins, Bkex have been dominating. So I believe Bkex very soon is going to become one of the biggest crypto exchanges with the support. So many people have been using Bkex to buy all these small coins because they list these coins earlier, and people believe when they buy these coins earlier they can really make a lot of money. That is what Bkex is really doing, and that is why you can see Shibadoge hitting 92% volume on Bkex alone. Remember, Shibadoge have been listed on Uniswap V2, Uniswap V3, and then on Hotbit, and then on IndoEX, and then Bkex. So imagine a single exchanger controlling 92% of this. Wow, that is amazing to me, and I believe that Bkex, they should continue supporting not just Shibadoge and every other small coin with small cap, because very soon people will be rushing to buy these coins on this. It's fun. One important thing to understand about crypto industry, that many people find it difficult to buy most of all these small cap coins that have a lot of zeros and that is pumping, that is doing well, because they believe they might become the next Shiba Inu. That is why a lot of people always look for ways. Look for one messenger that can list this coin earlier, in order for them to buy it earlier, in order for them to make profit earlier. And that is what Bkex are actually doing for all these crypto coins. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.